Hello, hello, and welcome to The Nourished Woman with your host, Abby, and this is Abby's Kitchen.
Hey, beautifuls, welcome to Abby's Kitchen, and we are talking today about making detox foods and especially making my favorite gold sauce. Some of you may be wondering, why am I embarking upon an ambitious 40-day parasite cleanse? Well, I've had persistent skin rashes, hair loss, fatigue, bloat. Sometimes the deeper issues, health issues, chronic issues that can't be explained are often due to the gut and deep gut issues like opportunistic funguses like candida that can take over the body. So, when you're embarking upon a cleanse like this, there's a lot of foods you can't have, like sugars and certain carbohydrates that feed the candida and the parasites. So, what do? You got to have a lot of healthy food on hand. I've actually been loving this process of creating some structure and just structure to my diet because it's allowed me to be super creative and kind of go back into the kitchens of the Flying Abneet and see what's there. A staple that I have been loving is something called gold sauce. There's only 4 or 5 ingredients right here. We have nutritional yeast, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and garlic. And the cool thing is, these are all antioxidant and antimicrobial foods. Like garlic kills bugs and parasites in the stomach, apple cider vinegar, super cleansing for the whole body, olive oil, another antioxidant, all good stuff. I legit eat this shit by the spoon. It's supposed to be like a dressing for salads and stuff, but I just lick it, like I drink it. It's so fucking good. I think it's a tang of the apple cider vinegar, and I don't know, it's so fucking good. I also add this. So that's it. You blend it all up and then you have it for the whole week. And if you want to know more about cleansing or candida, or you have strange things like a lot of fatigue and cravings and stuff, come talk to me. I can probably help you out with it.
Hey, beautifuls, I hope you enjoyed the first official episode of Abby's Kitchen. And I am Abby from The Nourished Woman. Make sure you sign up at www.abneetsandharwellness.com for all the latest updates, retreats, blogs, and all the juicy information on being a nourished woman today. Thank you.